So this is how you can manually change time on the iPad. So that is how it works. Let me show you how you can do this. If you are new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Naturally, we have to go to the iPad settings app, proceed to the general section where you can notice the date and a time. And most likely by default, we have the set automatically toggle enabled. So automatically, it gets turned on and it changes the time based on your location. So your time should be correct, but you can disable that toggle and choose a different time zone, which lets you literally look up a city on a map like that. I mean, it's not even like a map, but you can look it up. But that means that you will switch to a different time zone. If you wanted to, you can literally set up a different time on the iPad, right? By choosing the different city, but you can as well just click on the date and the time and have a fully manual control over it, meaning that you set up like a random time or whatever and completely change it according to your preferences. I don't really see much of a point in doing that, but you have the ability to do so. Me personally, I keep it set automatically all the time and I don't really have to worry about anything else. One more thing though, I know a lot of people use the calendar, especially on iPad, which is like supposed to be a productivity device, but in the settings and in the calendar section, we also have a time zone setting, but it's the time zone override, right? So you can decide that the calendar will keep a certain time zone independent from the time set on your iPad. So if you enable it and choose it to be like of certain location, you want to make sure that, I'm showing it to you so you don't really change your calendar and then everything stays normal in here and you can still change the time generally for the iPad. But that would be about it from me. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.